Here I have Cubot P50, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal rear camera, and when you're here what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it out. So as you can see right now I took like 33 photos, which is a big amount, I would say. Most phones only can take about 20 burst shots, so yeah, this is very decent, you know. So here you can review all these shots. Here in this one shot you can review them all like this, which is pretty nice. Here you can select which shot fits you best, save it and delete other ones so easily. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.